Welcome back to another video brought to you by Fever. My name's Teacher Joel, and today we're going to learn about farm animals. If you hear me say the word or the sentence, please repeat it after me. Let's begin. Pig. Pig. Cow. Cow. Rooster. Rooster. Chicken. Chicken. For the female or the girl chicken, we can also call it a hen. Hen. Chick. Chick. Duck. Duck. Goat. Goat. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Goose. Goose. Llama. Llama. Donkey. Donkey. Turkey. Turkey. Dog. Dog. Farm. Farm. Barn. Barn. Okay, we're going to go through the words, but this time with small sentences. Please repeat after me. It's a pig. It's a pig. It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a rooster. It's a rooster. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Or we can say it's a hen. It's a hen. It's a chick. It's a chick. It's a duck. It's a duck. It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a goose. It's a goose. It's a llama. It's a llama. It's a donkey. It's a donkey. It's a turkey. It's a turkey. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a farm. It's a farm. It's a barn. It's a barn. That brings us to the end of our farm words. Please practice these words every day. I hope you've had fun. If you have enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to watch another free English video or lesson, please click on one of the videos on your screen. Thank you for watching, and I hope again to see you in the next video. Goodbye.